In this lecture, we will learn about default parameters in C++. Okay, so default parameters. So what do they mean? So what happens is, let's say we have a function which calculates the volume of a cuboid. Okay, so get volume, and of course to find the volume of a cuboid you need the length, breadth and height of the cuboid. Okay, so it's a very simple. So the prototype will be, it will return, and if all the length, breadth and height are just integers, so it will return a volume which is also an integer. So return type is int, the name of the function is get volume, and it has three parameters: int length, int breadth and int height. Okay, so now what happens is, this is a simple main function where we have length, breadth and height all assigned, and we give volume is equal to get volume, length comma breadth comma height. Okay, but here you see that we are calling the same function without passing any parameters. Okay, so now if it was a simple C program, this will not compile. Okay, because we are passing a function, passing parameters to function, okay, which requires three parameters, but you are not passing any parameters. Okay, still it is working. Okay, so now let's analyze it again. So what is happening here, if you see, so int length is equal to 1, int breadth is equal to 1 and int height is equal to 1. So you see that in the definition, okay, in the declaration of the function itself, we are assigning value to the parameter, which is something unusual and which we caught. So this is the default parameter. Okay, the default parameters, that if you don't pass any value, okay, for these parameters, then the default values will be taken. Okay, so that's why when we say int volume default, get volume without passing any parameter, length, breadth and height, all of them will be assigned a default value which is 1. Okay, so now let's try to see this code, and we will see this code. We build the code and now run it. So the volume is 6000 because 10 into 20 into 30 is 6000, and volume default is 1 because length, breadth and height were 1. Okay, so now let's see something more. If I make this 10 and this as 2, and let's try to build it again, so what happens? Okay, so now if you see, so the volume default is 20, so it is 1 into 10 into 2, so it's 20. Now let's try to see a few more things. If I now just want to give length, okay, length is 30 and I don't give breadth and height. Okay, I just pass one parameter. Okay, so what will happen? Build this code, run it. Okay, so 600 it is coming, so 10 into 2, 20 into 30, so it's 600. Okay, so now what happens, whatever first parameter you passed, so it is taken as the length. Okay, so now the question arises, okay, so breadth also you can change and height also you can change like this. Okay, so I hope you understand this, the default parameter setting in C++. Thanks a lot.